for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie, we're here. Hello. Do you feel good today?
Greetings, little artists.
Today, Artie, we're going to draw your teddy bear, Jimmy.
Okay.
Why don't you go and get your marker pens?
Yeah.
There he goes.
It's always fun to start with a blank canvas.
Artie, that would be a great place to use a marker.
Personally, I think paint is a much better option.
We're not using paint today, I'm afraid, Betty. Let's start.
Yeah.
Man, this is a great day.
It is a great day, Mikey. Let's start by drawing a big circle, but try and make the top a little bit flat and the bottom a little bit flat also. So do the left side and the right side first, and then connect the top together and the bottom, so we get a sort of a squished circle. Artie's teddy bear Jimmy has a head shaped just like that. Let's draw 2 ears. We'll start on the left, go up and around and back down to the head. And then on the right, let's do a big ear. Start, go round and back into the head. What next? Oh yes, let's do another circle inside the ears. That way the ears have a thickness. Let's do that on the right ear as well. There we go. Let's draw Jimmy's nose. We'll do a little oval. And then inside the oval, draw another little oval. And let's fill it all in black, but don't fill in the little oval. Let's leave that white. That way his nose will look shiny and wet. Well, we have a head, 2 ears, and a nose. I think we need some eyes. Let's do 2 little circle eyes. One on the left, one on the right. And then inside those circles, let's draw another circle, a little bit smaller. And we'll fill that in black. Now let's draw a big oval around the eye. Let's start with the left side. That's right, Artie. Big oval shape. Fantastic. And now the right side. Very, very good. Let's draw a line down from the nose, just a short little line, and then a smiley mouth. Make it nice and thick, and colour it all in black. Hey, Artie, should we have a dance break? Yes, let's have a dance break.
There he goes, to wiggle and shake. Must be time for another dance break.
Back in my day, you'd see me in many a ballroom. Artie is having so much fun.
was just wonderful. Wasn't it wonderful? Wonderful. 10. 10 for sure. 10.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Okay, let's go back to work. Let's draw some little cheeks. A little oval on the left and a little oval on the right. You know, little Jimmy needs some feet. Let's do a circle on the left. That will be his left foot. Just at the bottom of the page there, Artie. That's right. That's a really good size. And then let's do another circle on the right side, and that will be Jimmy's right foot. Artie, how long have you had Jimmy? A very, very long time. I see. Now let's draw some little circles inside the feet. They're going to be the pads on the bottom of the feet. If you have a dog at home, they have pads on the bottom of their feet also. In some ways, dogs are a little bit like teddy bears. They're very cuddly. Well, now we have a head and 2 feet, but poor Jimmy doesn't have a body yet. Let's give him a body. Let's start with his right arm. Now his left arm. Very nice. Now Jimmy has a body. Let's give him a tummy. Draw a nice oval shape right on his tummy area. You're all finished?
Yeah.
Does he look like your teddy Jimmy? A little bit. Let's colour him in, Artie.
Yeah.
Are you finished? He turned out wonderfully. He looks just like your real teddy bear, Jimmy. He looks so real, it makes me want to go and give him a cuddle. Great job.
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie.
Well, little artists, have an arty day, and we'll see you really soon. Let's say goodbye, Artie.